5 tips for recording the best iPhone video possible. Apple has come a long way since it first introduced video recording with the iPhone 3GS. Today, the newest iPhones can shoot stunning 4K footage, help you frame up your shot, and capture crisp audio. You can even use the iPhone 15 Pro camera to make high-quality videos for your business. The video shooting tool in your pocket has so much to offer. 1. Beware of which way you hold your iPhone. If you want to shoot video in landscape, that's fine. If you want to capture vertical video, that's cool too. Be thoughtful of where you're planning to post or share your videos. If you're uploading to YouTube, then a horizontal orientation works best. If you're posting to Instagram, vertical videos look better. If you're just sharing stuff with friends, be willy-nilly about it all. But if you're going to be editing a few video clips together, make sure you're holding the phone the same way for each clip. This will make editing them far easier and spare you any black bars. 2. 4K video is the way to go. Your iPhone can record at 720p, 1080p, and 4K. For the absolute best video image quality, 4K resolution is the best choice. If you don't care about quality as much and are more focused on how much room on your phone videos will take up, try dropping your resolution down to 1080p or even 720p. If you're running iOS 13.2 or newer, you can quickly change the resolution inside the default camera app. Just tap the resolution in frames per second apps icon in the corner of the camera viewfinder. You can toggle through 4K, HD, and 720. For even more control and options, go to the Settings app and then tap on Camera. From there, you can change resolution and frame rate, as well as recording formats, stereo audio, and grid overlay, among other things. 3. Change the frame rate to suit your subject and where you post. The iPhone 11 and 11 Pro can shoot 4K video at 24, 30, or 60 fps. Most movies are filmed at 24 fps, giving them that cinematic flicker. If you are recording a vlog for YouTube or something you're going to post to Facebook or Instagram, 30 fps is fine. 60 fps is great for shooting activities like sports or something with lots of motion. In good lighting, 60 fps makes your video look really sharp. After you record a video at 60 fps, you can use an editing app like iMovie, Final Cut Pro X, or Adobe Premiere Pro to slow things down to half speed, 30 fps. This will give the motion in your footage a dreamy feel. My default setting for video on an iPhone is 4K at 24 fps. 4. Slow motion on the iPhone is good, but be smart about it. It is bonkers that you can capture slow motion footage with an iPhone 11 or 11 Pro up to 40 fps at full HD, 1080p. That said, if you're using a high frame rate like this, your video needs a lot of light. Beware of artificial lighting because it will give your slow motion video a strobe-like flicker. This makes recording slow motion tricky indoors. 5. Take control of the auto exposure and autofocus. If your video looks too bright in the camera app's viewfinder, you can decrease the exposure to keep people's faces from turning into blobs of light. But to do that, know that auto exposure and autofocus are tied together on the iPhone. In fact, that's the way it is by default on most phones aside from the new Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. To fine-tune your exposure, tap the display where you want to focus. Hopefully that's on your subject. A yellow focus/exposure square will appear. Use your fingers to slide the brightness icon up or down until your subject looks well lit. That's all for today's video. I hope you found our video interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.